In this video, I will show you how to add multi-language in Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website created using Hostinger Website Builder. As you can see, it is in the English language, and I want to add a French version for this website. First, go to Website Settings, then click on Multi-Language. Select your original or your starting language. In my case, it's English. Then click on Add Language. Let's say I want to add a French language. Just look. You can search your language. Add Français language. Click Add Language. You can select an icons for both languages. This is the French icon. As you can see, my changes are saved, and don't forget to hit update website. Now that my changes are published, let's see my website. And now I can switch between my multi-language of my website. The second language took a folder and not a subdomain. Now what I need to do is to edit the text of this new language. To do that, make sure that you are in your second language and hit and edit your text. For example, bienvenue sur Ben's Adventures. Hit update website. Click on view site. On the English, it says welcome, and in the French version, it says bienvenue.